How to do face authentication on Poppo Live. What you need to do is go to your profile after opening app. So this is my profile, and what you can see, and under here you can see the authentication option with the blue mark. Add this box at the side of Fans Club. Just tap on it, and here you can see the option on the very first called face authentication. Just tap on go. Then you need to upload a clear photo of yourself. After uploading your clear photo, what you need to do is tap on start to certificate, and then you need to show your face live, and the camera will tell you instructions like turn your head to the left, to the right, up, down, to make sure you're a real person. After that authentication is complete, your authentication will be completed, and in that way your face authentication on Poppo Live will be authenticated. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.